McDonald's and KFC don't want you to know this secret. This homemade chicken burger is next level crispy. Time to make it happen. Cut the chicken into medium-sized slices, ensuring they fit well into a burger bun. Place the sliced chicken into a bowl. Add the following ingredients to the bowl: ½ teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust as per taste. 2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice level, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon hot spice powder, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Mix well and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb the flavours. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon hot spice powder, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, 2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Mix well with a spoon to form a flavourful coating mixture. Dip each marinated chicken piece into the prepared coating mixture. Submerge it in water for a few seconds and then coat it again with the dry mixture. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times for a crispier texture. Heat a wok, add oil for deep fry. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the coated chicken pieces. Deep fry them on medium heat until golden brown. Approximately 10 to 20 minutes, covering the wok for even cooking. Once done, remove the crispy fried chicken and place it on a plate lined with paper towels. Take a sesame seed hamburger bun and slice it in half. Add fresh lettuce leaves. Spread mayonnaise evenly on both slices of the bun. Place the crispy fried chicken on the bottom bun. Add fresh lettuce leaves. Place a slice of mozzarella cheese on top. Cover with the top bun to complete the burger. Your crispy, cheesy and flavourful chicken burger is now ready to serve. Enjoy the juicy chicken, rich mayonnaise and fresh lettuce in every bite. Crispy, spicy and loaded with flavour. Are you making this ASAP? Hit that like button and let me know. This easy chicken ramen recipe will take your taste buds on a delicious ride. Let's make it